Okay, so we've looked at ad revenue. Now, this one comes under a similar guise as well, but it's one that a lot of people miss. Almost every musician I know uploads their music to services like Soundcloud and Audiomack, but what they don't know is that you can actually monetize on these services as well. We just need a third-party aggregator to help us do that. So Soundcloud's a really nice example. It brings in approximately $10 to $15 monthly, fluctuates quite a lot. But again, that's money that would just be left on the table otherwise, and I don't do anything for it apart from put my music onto SoundCloud. There's a zero cost involved for me. My SoundCloud isn't even a premium account, and I'm still able to do this using an aggregator. We can do a similar thing with Audiomack and some of the other services. The aggregator I use BeatStars. Now, BeatStars essentially is a company that allows people to sell instrumentals and licenses, something that we'll also look at later. But they work as an aggregator for SoundCloud, allowing you to schedule streaming revenue from the service. Now, lots of people have gone to SoundCloud and they won't be able to play your full track. This isn't that. This will cause an ad to trigger before any playback of your tracks. It won't guarantee there'll be an ad every single time. Quite similar to how the Spotify free version also works. This also gives you access to some other features inside SoundCloud, meaning we can actually schedule releases, which is really useful. We can post a track ahead of time and we can then schedule a release. We can also schedule a gratis period. This means we could have the track release, and for 7 days, our usual followers who maybe wouldn't put up with an ad and things like that can still play the track. And then after 7 days, the track will then monetize. This gives us 7 days to pick up traction and get the track shared. It's much more likely to be shared if it hasn't had an ad go first. In those 7 days, when we can build up some traction going forward, we can then get that shared a little bit more and it will start to generate a little bit of revenue for us. The margins are very, very small. The reason that I'm able to make sort of the $15 odd per month is because I also manage a beats one, I manage another artist name, and I manage a group as well as my own personal one. They're all contained in that price point for me. I unfortunately can't separate them out. But all of those plays amount to a little bit of money each month. And these little streams of income, if we add that onto what we already do with YouTube and our $250, it's just an extra little bonus each month that I do nothing extra for. So in your documentation will be a couple of places that you can do this. It's going to be SoundCloud and Audiomack. And the aggregator that we can use for free currently is BeatStars. So absolutely look at doing that with your SoundCloud as well.